Hey guys, if you're in my topics of math class, you already know this, but I'm recording this video Sunday night, which is why I'm wearing my jammies, I have no makeup, and I have my hair in what I like to call teacher mom hair. It's just a bun that's being held up by a crochet hook. All right, learning target for the day. We can explain partisanship bias. The essential question, or the question you should be able to answer by the end of the day, is why is it important to be aware of your own bias? And we're going to answer this question by watching a TED Ed video that's about 5 minutes long. And as you watch, you're just going to be answering 3 questions for your assignment. And that assignment is called Partisanship Bias. And that'll be due a week from today, so February 15th. I just forgot to write it on the little homework thing. A reminder of your homework, Levels of Thinking Jamboard. That's going to be due February 10th. And make sure you do your Friday quiz as soon as possible if you haven't done so already. And then we have 51 more days till the end of the term. Just a quick reminder before we move on that our Google Meets has changed. We used to have Google Meets every single day, but we kind of voted it's way too much to do a Google Meet every single day. And so instead of doing a Google Meet every day, we're just going to do them on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hopefully that's good news for you. That was a relief for me. Okay, on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, you're going to be able to work more independently because you don't have that Google Meet. Instead, you're going to be using pre-recorded instructions like you are today to complete an assignment. Be sure that you fill out the attendance question by 3. I know on Friday I originally said you have to complete the assignment by 3 in order to be counted for attendance, but I felt like that would put too much pressure on you guys to just get the assignment done. So instead, we're just going to do an attendance question so that way you can work on that assignment if you need more time to do it. If you're stuck on the assignment or if you have any questions, I will still be on those Google Meets during your scheduled block. So if you want to pop into that Google Meets, I'll be there during your scheduled block to answer questions. Otherwise, you can email, call, or text at any time. Even if it's in your scheduled block and you're just more comfortable with email or text, that's absolutely fine to use that instead. You don't have to use Google Meets if you don't want to. Whatever you're most comfortable with. Of course, I'd love to see your faces. Okay, moving on to our content for the day. Just a reminder that the word bias, we've been talking about this since last week, is that disproportionate weight in favor of or against an idea or thing. And we see this a lot in our politics where Democratic politicians tend to support bills that align with their party, and same thing with the Republicans. They tend to support bills that align with their party. And we're going to talk about more about those party platforms and what those parties believe in later on this week. Here is what you need to focus on today. Step 1, open the partisanship bias Google Doc, and you're going to use the video to answer the question on the assignment. I'm going to go ahead and show you what that assignment looks like. So you'll notice it's just 3 questions. I have the link to the video right here. I also have it on Google Classroom. They're the same video. Notice that I have the level 1, level 2, and level 3 in front of each question. Level 1 means that it's going to say it exactly in the video. And hint, it's around 2 minutes that they're going to say the exact answer in the video. Level 2 means that they're going to present you with information. They're not going to directly answer the question, but they're going to give you all the information you need to kind of connect the dots, read between the lines to answer this question. And all that information can be gathered between 2:39 and 3:37 in the video. Level 3 question means there's not really a right or wrong answer as long as you can explain your answer. So this one, it's really important that you explain your answer. Okay, I think that's pretty much all I needed to say about the video and the assignment. If you have any questions, remember I will be on that Google Meet, or you can call, text, or email, whatever you're most comfortable with. See you later, guys.